You sure you should because of the laugh. We keeping the footage as you go down.
I didn't even have it freaking recorded on the steps.
No, 2 steps out.
I'm gonna record. When they can see me going, whoa, whoa.
2 steps out.
Shit.
There we go. You're about to topple over.
Wait, nobody has been down these blocks. Hold my hand.
Don't take me down with you.
Yo, it's gonna be thing all in my boot. I should have worn the other boot. But those was, I couldn't get them off when we got back in.
Okay, I'm putting these Timbs on and say, fuck these fucking Nike boots. Ooh, yo, you got me.
I ain't did it.
Motherfucking branches.
Oh, thank you. Right here. This one person came out. They should have walked in the street. Huh? It's crazy. Snow is in my back of my thing. It's not in your shoe? No. Come in your boot. Ooh. You did a little two-step yourself. Huh? What you was doing, getting the snow off your boots, that's all. Now see that? Could make you go down. Wait, we even have the light with his white car coming. Do it all at once. I'm gonna have to add more tomorrow. So that